Beach, 11 miles east of the Atlantic, moving west at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Melbourne, in the Atlantic, and Melbourne Beach, around 11:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. West Melbourne and Indian Harbour Beach and Suntree. Outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter, and protect yourself from flying debris.
Here, Brian. I'm proud of both of you.